So this is just a quick way to cut your paper down from 9 by 12 to 8.5 by 11. You know that you're going to have to take an inch off of one side to get it from 12 to 11. So you can start by doing a 1 inch, but take a look at this ruler. Notice that that inch mark, see that line there? That's where the inch actually begins. So if you line it up with the end of the ruler, it's going to be bigger than 1 inch. So you have to line it up with that little line, or alternately, easier, you can just line it up with the 1, and you know this is 1 inch here too. And then what I like to do is I like to make 3 light marks. 1 sort of near the top, 1 toward the middle, and then 1 toward the bottom, right? So you have these 3 light marks. Then I take my ruler and I line them up. And I also eyeball it to see, does that look even to me? It does. And then I make a very light mark with my pencil. So that's the 1 inch. Now it's 9, we got to get it to 8.5, so we're going to have to take a 1/2 inch off. I do the same thing. I line it up with that first inch there, and I go to the halfway mark, and I make a little mark like that, and then about somewhere in the middle. And then somewhere nearer the bottom. The 3 marks help you in case you've made an error, and it's easy to make an error with these things. It will help you see if all your marks sort of agree with each other, that they're in the right place. Those look pretty good to me. And now I'll make a line like this. So now you have this paper with these 2 lines, your cut lines. It's nice if you have a paper cutter, but most of us don't at home. And then I cut it. You notice I'm using the whole length of the shears. Instead of cutting like this, which you can, but you're going to get a straighter cut if you open the shears all the way up. Good. Again, the only reason you do this is if you want to reproduce the work to make a zine, and that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be making a little zine. So now your paper is 8.5 by 11.